A very good morning to all of you. This is Poonam Mahendru. So, we have discussed the first chapter of Hornbill, that is the portrait of a lady. Today, we will be starting the second chapter, that is, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. The author of the chapter is Jordan Cook and Ellen East. Now, what does this chapter says about is its chapter revolves around a part of a round the world voyage undertaken by the narrator and his family in the sailboat. And it describes their thrilling journey across the sea and their close encounter with death during this voyage. And the plot talks about their possible attempts to save their life. First, we'll be discussing about the characters of the chapter. The first is the narrator itself. He is a 37 years old businessman and he wants to duplicate round the world journey made by Captain James Cook 200 years earlier, and he spends a lot of long time improving his sea skills and finally begins his journey with his wife Mary and 6-year-old son Jonathan and 7-year-old daughter Suzanne. Now the second character is Mary. She is narrator's wife. She supports her husband's dream and improves her sea skills. She joins her husband on their planned 3-year voyage. Then is Suzanne. Suzanne is the narrator's 7-year-old daughter who displays immense courage throughout their voyage. Jonathan is the narrator's 6-year-old son who shows immense strength and optimism even in the difficult times. And one another character is there, that is Larry Vigil, an American who joins the narrator and Mary at Cape Town to help them tackle one of the world's roughest seas, and is Herb Sizzler. Herb Sizzler is a Swiss person who also joins them at Cape Town to help them cross the southern Indian Ocean. In this chapter, the things which are very important is you have to remember the dates, you have to remember the instances कि when does the voyage begins, कब जो है वो storm आया था, कब इस family का accident हुआ था, they met with an accident and the ship, the Wave Walker, the name of the ship, it was damaged. So we'll start with the chapter. The first is the voyage begins. So it was July 1976. The narrator, his wife, 6-year-old son Jonathan and 7-year-old daughter Suzanne, they started their sea voyage from Plymouth, England. And it was there that they wished to go round the world on a long sea journey, just as Captain James Cook had done 200 years earlier. Now the narrator and his wife, they have spent 16 years preparing for this round the world voyage and improving their skills, like how they are going to travel in the sea. Now their boat, it was named Wave Walker. It was a 23 meter, 30 ton boat that was professionally built and they had tested in the roughest weather they could find. So this you have to remember, that is the name of the boat. It was Wave Walker. It was 23 meter and 30 ton boat. Now the first part of their planned 3-year, it was a journey 1,05,000 kilometer journey. Right? तो जो 1,05,000 kilometer journey है, it was passed pleasantly as they sailed down the west कोस्ट ऑफ अफ्रीका टू केप टाउन. अब यहाँ ये चीज़ याद रखनी है कि जो उनका फर्स्ट फेज था जर्नी का, इट वॉज 1,05,000 किलोमीटर एंड वो जर्नी जो है बहुत कंफर्टेबली विदाउट एनी हैजल्स वो जो जर्नी है इन लोगों ने पास की. देन दे टुक 2 crewmen. वो 2 crewmen थे. वन वॉज द अमेरिकन लैरी विजिल एंड द स्विस हर्ब सिजलर before heading east from the Cape Town to help them tackle one of the world's roughest seas, the southern Indian Ocean. अब इन लोगों ने, the family has taken the help of two people. One was the American Larry Vigil and the second one was the Swiss Herb Sizzler before heading east from Cape Town, and now they will move to the world's roughest seas. It was the southern Indian Ocean. Now this was about the first day. Now what happened the second day? On the second day out of Cape Town, they encountered strong winds and high waves. मतलब अब weather जो है वो wind storms आनी शुरू हो गई थी. The windstorms continued for next few weeks. The size of the waves was up to 15 meters. This you have to remember. The size of the waves was up to 15 meters. And then on December 25th, they were 3,500 kilometers east of the Cape Town. But the weather was very bad here, and it was the unpredictable weather, right? And after that, the bad weather, in spite of this, the bad weather, they celebrated New Year's Day and मतलब Christmas Day, New Year, I have told you, they celebrated Christmas. और Christmas से New Year तक, right, those 7 days, the weather remained bad and there was no change in the weather. Then the very huge waves were there on 2nd January, right? अब 25th December जो है तब से weather ख़राब होना शुरू हुआ था, and till 2nd January the weather was bad. The waves, they were very high, and the family was sailing with a small storm jib, but still they were going very fast. The boat moved to the top of each wave, but these huge waves, they were, and the dangerous wind continued to terrorize them. To minimize this damage, what they've done is they dropped a storm jib and lashed a very heavy rope in the loop across the stone. Now they fastened everything, went through their life raft drill, they attached lifelines, they put on the oil skills, and life jackets were being worn by them, and they prepared themselves for the worst scenario. Like they were prepared कि अब जो है weather ख़राब हो रहा है और last 8 days से weather नहीं संभल रहा, so worst possible outcome, worst possibility के लिए these people, the entire family was ready. अब what happened after that? उसके बाद जो first indication of this disaster came at about 6 p.m. with a huge silence. The wind stopped and sky immediately grew dark. Then a loud roaring sound was there which was being heard. The narrator thought that he saw a cloud coming towards them. With horror he realized it was not a cloud, but it was the biggest wave which he had ever seen. It appeared vertical and double the heights of all other waves. The wave hit the boat and a tremendous explosion shook the deck. अब deck को damage किया, water poured into the boat, the narrator head smashed against the steering wheel of the boat, and before he knew it, he was thrown into the sea. He thought he was going to die. Suddenly his head popped out of the water. He saw that the boat has almost capsized. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा अब weather ख़राब हो गया था, the water, it just came into the boat. Suddenly a wave hurled it upright and the narrator was tossed onto the boat. His left ribs were cracked, his mouth was filled with blood, and teeth were also broken. Somehow he managed to find the wheel, lined up the stern for the next wave and hung on. So अब ये देखो कितना ज़्यादा जो है disaster हुआ, disaster ने strike किया. The narrator, he just went down in the sea. एक वेव ने पहले हिट किया, फिर दूसरी वेव ने हिट किया, एंड अगेन ही वॉज देयर इन द बोट. लेकिन उसकी जो बॉडी में डैमेज हुआ, हिज लेफ्ट रिब्स वर बीन क्रैक्ड, हिज माउथ वॉज फिल्ड विथ ब्लड, एंड सम टीथ वर ब्रोकन. बट स्टिल द फैमिली वॉज अ ब्रेव फैमिली. स्टिल ही मैनेज्ड, और ही वॉज लाइंड अप he managed to find the wheel and he was lined up the stern for the next wave and then again hung up. So this is all for today. Let's have a quick review कि आज हमने क्या पढ़ा. ये क्लियर हो गया. The writer narrates his thrilling journey across the sea. He wanted to go around the world by sea in the same way as Captain James Cook has done about 200 years ago. जर्नी कब उन्होंने स्टार्ट की? इट वॉज इन जुलाई 1976 and he set a sail from the seaport of Plymouth in England. And who accompanied him along with who accompanied him in this journey was his wife Mary, his 7-year-old daughter Sue, which her name is Suzanne, and 6-year-old Sir Jonathan. And they were also these were the people, the entire family accompanied him. And for this long journey, he has built for himself a huge boat. And this we have already discussed. The name of the boat is Wave Walker. And it was 23 meters long. And it looked like a ship. Then the writer hoped to complete his journey round the world in 3 years. So this was his target कि 3 साल में मैंने जो है वो जर्नी ख़त्म करनी है. It was to be 2,55,000 kilometers journey. Now we have discussed the first phase. First phase में उन्होंने 1,05,000 kilometers की. और कहाँ तक की? It was up to South African seaport of Cape Town. यहाँ तक तो जर्नी जो है बहुत प्लेजेंट पास हुई. उसके बाद he has taken the help of he took the help of 2 sailors. कौन कौन थे वो? लैरी एंड हर्ब. और जो है सदर्न इंडियन ओशन की जर्नी है, इट वॉज टफ. सेकेंड फेज में जो है द जर्नी वॉज 1,50,000 kilometers, बट द वेदर वॉज वेरी unpredictable. It was on December 25th. The writer's Wave Walker was on the southern Indian Ocean. But जब उन्होंने फर्स्ट डे न्यू ईयर का सेलिब्रेट किया, विच वॉज इन 1977, उन्होंने शिप पर ही सेलिब्रेट किया. लेकिन वेदर जो है, इट वॉज द डिज़ास्टर्स वर देयर. इसको जो नरेटर है, नरेटर को भी चोट लगी बिकॉज ऑफ द वेव. थैंक यू सो मच.